What's up guys, D5300 here. Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be going to a really nice spot that I know of to get some nice sunsets. So we're going to do a time-lapse today. Yeah, this is more of like a little update video, so obviously it's not going to be like me moving around. It's not a POV or anything like that, but it's going to be more of a little update video of things that are going on. Other than that, we're going to be getting there. We should be there in about 20 minutes or so, if that. But yeah, I haven't been here in like a couple years, so I'm hoping it's still the same as it is, but hopefully we can get the sunset before it gets too low. But yeah, see you guys here in a bit. All right, and with a little bit of driving, we made it to the location that I was trying to get to. My Sony A6400 is doing the shots right now. I'm doing a 5-second interval at an f8 with ISO at 100, and we're doing 1/100th of a second, I believe, on shutter speed. So got the sun right there. I didn't get here in time. I went all the way down that way, realized it wasn't that good, so I had to come all the way back. But we'll get we'll get to nice darkness and all that stuff. But I'm using my Sony. I thought I was going to use my Nikon, like I said earlier, but that Sony lens is like actually perfect for what I'm doing right now. This was just too wide. But I will be selling that kit with my Nikon and all that stuff to get the new 16mm Sony lens. So I want to kind of talk about updates in my life and things like that. So I've been doing a lot of car photography stuff. So the last video I made was about 3 weeks ago or a month ago, and that was a little like cinematic video of a client that I had for his BMW. I haven't been streaming. The reason I haven't been streaming is my 1070 Ti in my computer took a hit on me, so I sent it back. They couldn't fix it, so I got my money back for it, and I was waiting for that 3080 to come out, but obviously you guys saw what the hell happened with that. Bunch of bots and all that stuff bought them out, so couldn't even get one. So I was thinking about waiting for the 3070, but I'm just gonna get the 2070 Super. It'll do exactly what I need it to do, so I will be getting that soon. But anyways, with that's why I haven't been streaming, is because I only have my 950 in my computer, so I really can't stream and all that stuff. So that's kind of what's been holding me back on that one. But I will be starting to stream whenever I get that graphics card. I'm hoping within like a week or two that I'll get it. We'll see. I don't know exactly when I'll be getting it, but anyways, that's one new thing. Another new thing is I am starting a new YouTube channel with my good buddy Answer. Link will be in the description down below. It's going to be about a weight loss journey for my side, and he's starting his own channel, and his is going to be about weight gain and muscle gain. So we decided to make a joint YouTube venture. It's not the same channel because we're doing it on our separate channels, but the video you're going to see when you click in the link in the description down below will be on his channel as well, and it's pretty much just an introductory video. We filmed that like 2 months ago, but we never got it uploaded. Probably like a month and a half ago, but we're finally gonna get started on that. But so definitely check that out. But I've been doing a lot of car photography stuff, so that's kind of been my main focus, is car photography. So I've been going to events and things like that, but Import Face Off just happened 2 days ago, and I did a vlog about it, but came home, was gonna start editing it, and no audio. So there was no audio in any of the damn footage I got, which was kind of disappointing because there was a lot of cool stuff there.
This is a rolling, what, $250,000 car? And it's way faster. You'll get one shot. Holy crapper. 1103.
Saw a Huracan Performante, and I'll be doing a photo shoot with that Performante here soon, I'm hoping. So that's going to be interesting. But yeah, there was a Performante, there was a 458. It might have been a 488. I don't know what it was, but I think it was a 458 or a 488 Ferrari. It was an Austin Cooper, which is like my dream car. I'll throw down these pictures as I'm saying them, but I did get pictures when I went, but I didn't get any video. There was a two-step stage off, or two-step, yeah, stage off, I guess you could say, like a sound off, and Honda S2001, and it won Best Honda, and it was a fucking mint, beautiful Honda S2000. Whoever the owner is, man, beautiful build. Anyways, that's kind of what I've been doing. So it's just been, you know, I haven't made a YouTube video in a while. I did make one, and it was kind of like this, but I edited it and all that stuff, but I didn't want to release it just because it was kind of garbage. What's up, guys? DSec28 here. Welcome to a new video of Forza. As you can see, I'm in photo mode. I've been doing photography stuff. We're not doing photo mode though. What we are doing is we're gonna do wheel spins. I made this video a couple days ago with answer to a weight watching, and it was terrible. And I was supposed to make that video at the import face-off, and it didn't happen. So this is my new kind of update video. Sorry that I left you guys hanging, but I'm hoping some good stuff will be coming soon. I know I'll be talking to someone I know about him doing a drift car, so hopefully something is in the works with that. I'll be doing that. Hopefully that photo shoot with the Performante, I got in touch with him and talked to him and asked him if I can come along his next photo shoot. And he said yes. Anyways, who owns the Performante? I forgot he has a YouTube channel and stuff. His YouTube name is Lazy Maniac. You should hit up his YouTube and Instagram down below. His Instagram, I think, is Lazy Maniac Official. Yeah, he is a beautiful, I mean, the spec that I would want in a Huracan Performante. It's got that sky blue, the yellow calipers, the Italian flag on the bottom, the Ale wing. Ugh, such a beautiful car. Anyways, so I'm hoping to do something with that car when it comes to shooting and things like that. But other than that, that's kind of it. That's really the biggest things is, you know, I haven't been able to stream because of that. When I do get back on streaming, I'm not going to be streaming pretty much anything else other than Assetto Corsa, Forza Horizon, which I don't think I'll be streaming that too much, but mainly car related games that I'll be streaming. When it comes to Call of Duty, when it comes to all that stuff, like, I don't know, there's just so much competition in those realms of games that I'm just not even wanting to play them anymore. Oh, the sun's down, I didn't even notice. Hopefully my camera's still doing okay. We are doing okay. I'm hoping that, oh shit, they're turning in here. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. I was like making sure they don't hit my camera. But what was that? Other than that, yeah, I'll be streaming Assetto Corsa mainly with like the wheel and all that stuff, and then possibly like editing videos if I'm editing something. Other than that, I'm not going to stream Call of Duty, Valorant. I still play the games, but I won't be streaming them just because there's just too much competition. Two, I'm fucking terrible at those games, so it's like not even interesting to watch. And yeah, I just want to stick to like drifting on Assetto Corsa, which is super fun. PlayStation 5 update, I did not get one. I didn't even try to get one. Pretty much I'll be getting a PlayStation 5 when Gran Turismo 7 comes out, because that's literally the only game that I really want on there other than Spider-Man Miles Morales, which is something I really want as well. But Miles Morales and Gran Turismo 7 and The Last of Us 2, if it's confirmed for the PlayStation 5. I haven't played it yet. Don't comment down below about the game. I've been holding off to get the PlayStation 5 to play that game so I have better graphics and things like that. But it's still not confirmed, so I don't even know if I'm doing this for a good reason. But Gran Turismo 7, when that comes out, PlayStation 5 will be in my hands. And then I'll be streaming that as well. Other than that, biggest things I want to get right now is a 2070 Super. Obviously I wanted the 3080, but that did not happen. If I can get the 3070, I'm going to try to go for that as well, but I'm going to get the 2070 Super for now. And then the 16mm Sigma lens. Other than that, that's pretty much all I want to do, just because I need a wide angle lens to do some rolling shots and all that stuff. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. But one new video that I know will be coming out here soon is this Saturday. There's a new another Cars and Coffee event here in Boise, Idaho. I will be going to that one as well. Last time I went, I pretty much just did pictures and that's it. This time I'll go, but I'm gonna do a video, and I'm gonna make like a cinematic style video for Cars and Coffee. I'm not doing it I'm not doing it for them. I'm doing it for myself, for them. But I hope I can make a pretty cool video for Cars and Coffee and things like that. That'll be going on my YouTube channel and things like that. So other than that, me and Answer want to get a rally car. We want to rally so fucking bad. I want to do like so there's a YouTuber, we were watching a ton of his videos in my car the other day. Milos, I think his name is Milos. He's from Holland. Yeah, he's Dutch. So he's like, I don't understand any of his videos other than the subtitles, but he just does like weird experiments on cars. We were just watching his videos, and like he just has these shit boxes and he's just doing things to them, and I'm like, man, I want to rally. Like, cause yeah, so he has a Subaru, not Milos, but Answer, and we were thinking about using that, but I'm like, man, it's worth too much. Like, we can't do it on that. But I found this GTI Mark II, and I found the owner of the car that had it from like 10 years ago. He bought it in 1996 and had it until 2010, and he sold it. And I messaged him. I was like, hey man, I saw this old forum post that you did. I just want to make sure this is legit. He's like, holy crap, like that's awesome. Anyways, I want to get this car. It's like 250 bucks right now at the auction, but it's probably not going to happen because we don't have room for a vehicle just to sit somewhere. So, but yeah, we want to do like a rally build or something. We just don't have the room to do it, but that's down the road. That's nothing to do with now. Anyways, for now, that's what's going on with my life. That's why I haven't posted or anything like that, but everything will be starting up back soon and all that stuff. But sun's down now. We're getting to those nice oranges. It's going down from the what's it called, the mountains and stuff, the peaks. But I'm gonna let that keep doing its thing, get those oranges in there, and hopefully it turns out good. I don't know, I'll probably put it at the end of this video. I will put it at the end of this video. But other than that, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So I just kind of want to update you guys on the new channel. That was like my primary focus, what I want to let you guys know of. But the new channel and the new updates in my life of things that have been going on. But other than that, I hope to guys see you soon on YouTube and Twitch and on Instagram. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much. I don't want to say other than that anymore. So thank you guys so much. If you guys liked it, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. DSEC208's out.